Hello everyone, today we're doing a test with the new version 1.16 for the Gopro Hero 7 Black. So the issues that we're addressing in this video is that hypersmooth was having horrible issues at night. So this first video is showing you what hypersmooth does in very low light conditions. Now you can tell that it looks like it's vibrating. The whole image is every half second, maybe even looks like it's trying to focus back and forth, even though I know it's not doing that, but it's just kind of how it's looking. So what it's doing is it's just having troubles grasping what it's seeing, and it's trying to make it and trying to stabilize it, which it is stabilizing, but at the cost of the video. Now I did mute this because it's completely irrelevant. I actually did not mean to make this video, and actually just saw a Reddit post that the new update come out, and I was just about ready to complain about the Hero 7 having this issue because, you know, my GoPro Hero 6 didn't have this issue at night, and we're going to get later into that onto the next video. So here is the version 1.16 update, and it is supposedly supposed to fix this issue. So as we're watching this, once we go into a darker area, you'll notice that you're not seeing that that like vibration as much in the video. Now mind you, this is very low light, you know, this is probably around ISO 6400, but we're not seeing that distortion out far, you know, or the focusing looking effect. But what you do see is the fact that it's not as stable. Almost looks like the GoPro Hero 6's stabilization. You know, it's still good, but that was the issue. You know, we didn't have a choice between, you know, like the Hero 6's stabilization, just, you know, digital stabilization, to the hypersmooth. We just had auto and off. So what they did is they went in there, when it's low light, it's going to automatically take a part of your image stabilization. So that's why this looks a lot shakier than the Hero 7's hypersmooth, which it sucks, but at least the video is somewhat useful compared to beforehand, because earlier it was bad. You just couldn't use that video at all. So here's a comparison between the two. I will say with the new update, when you're in light, it looks a lot better. So here's just a comparison. This will really show you how much it has improved, because, you know, on the right hand side is the version 1.15, if I'm correct. On the left is version 1.16. Now you can tell on the right side is much more smoother, but the quality is horrible. You can't use that. And then on the left side, you know, looks better. They're both gonna be grainy, but that's not what we're testing here. But the image stabilization just isn't as good on the left as on the right. But I mean, I'm willing to pay that. So I hope this helps everyone understand what the new update has done. Is taking a bit of your image stabilization so that it can perform a little better at night, which I'm totally for, but it's nothing new from GoPro. This is practically what the Hero 6 did at night. So anyways, if you like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.